Ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi ni rurekereirie riboti yegie murimu wa Chorela uria uratuika watuthukire mieri 3 mithiru.
We have 3 fatalities, that is in last 2 months. We have also confirmed, and that is a period of 2 months. We have confirmed about 96 cases by 14th of July.
Riboti ino irekereirio thiku imwe thutha wa andu 6 aria marari kigomano-ini nyumba-ini ya mishemanio ya KICC kuonekana na dalili cia murimu uyu. Minister wa kigina Henry Rotich na murunawe wa iganda Eden Mohamed ni amwe ya arwaru acio na ni marigititwo na kurekererio kuma thibitari. Iri ta njira ya kuhurana na gutamba kwa murimu uyu, wendia wa irio uria utwarithagio mabarabara-ini ni uhingitwo orio.
Food hawking and open air cooking in this city, I've said time and again, and we are going to enforce it. We have the team here, the man in charge of public health is here with us. Yes, and this is going to be enforced together with law enforcers in the county.
Oho mikawa yothe guku Nairobi ni irathurimu niguo kurorwo kana ni irakinyanira ikiro cia utheru na aria marutaga wira mikawa-ini makorio mangikora na dalili cia murimu uyu matikamairirie guthie thibitari. Unyihu wa maai uria ukoretwo kuo onaguo ni ucangaire hari gutamba kwa murimu uyu na nikio thirikari ya Nairobi igathikite mukana wendia-ini wa maai.
We have banned the transport of water with tankers, especially the tankers who are not registered by the county government and Nairobi water.
Ona gutuika murimu uyu ni wonekanite mikawa-ini imwe minene kuratuika aria maikaraga icagi-ini ta mwena wa Mathare, Huruma na Mukuru kwa Rufeni nio magumeirwo na njira nene. Ni gukorwo murimu uyu wa Chorela ucungagiririo ni giko, aikari a Nairobi ni moritio maige utheru na muno hari irio iria mararia na maai maria marahuthira. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ndi guku Nairobi, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.